It's completely different than anywhere I've worked before. It's fun, the people are great. It's honestly been an incredible experience.
I was very surprised about how genuinely cool everybody is, even from the top down, from all the founders to any of the managers, to the sales team, to customer support, like data entry. Everybody is like a vibe.
So Doorloop has supported my professional growth quite a lot, actually. When I first started, I started off as an account executive about 2.5 years back. And being a part of the startup, it gives you that sort of push. Things happen within the company that may lead to an opening, and really they can use your expertise to fill that void.
I have a lot of experience working in previous sales where you're on an island. If you do well, great. If you don't do well, it sucks. When you're leaning on other teammates who you can ask questions from, who make you feel like, hey, if you get this, this is good for all of us, it makes you want to succeed. You work harder for a team.
Everyone in sales is different, right? You've got some that speak really loud and are super, super out there. We have some others that are a little bit more reserved, and just know that there will be like a customer for you. So on a personal level, coming out of like the COVID quarantine, working from home, working alone, going into the Doorloop space and coming into an office with a lot of fun people, that definitely changed my life for the better.
You don't want to be home 100% of the time. Coming to the office really like is a driver for you, and it feels good to come to an office that is like Doorloop because it feels like a home.
Yeah.
Second home, for some, first home.
Yeah, and especially on a sales team, right? You feed off of each other's
Yeah,
success when you're at the office. So
Ringing the bell.
exactly. So we actually, this office used to be an old sales office for another company, and they had a bell there. When we came in, though, the bell had no handle on the bell, so we actually had to order a bell handle to actually make noise.
Right.
And now every time we welcome in a new customer into Doorloop, that's a pretty sizable amount. We have fun with the bell.
Another thing I love about Doorloop is how inclusive they are. If there's any kind of event, they're asking you to bring family members, kids, dogs. I have 2. They are my life. So it's awesome how they just want everybody to be included.
Exactly. And I remember your dog at one of the company happy hours. He was probably bigger. He was bigger than a lot of our employees here, but there's even a really cool, fun hack in our website. If you go to our website, doorloop.com/about, and you'll see all of our company dogs there. If you have a furry friend, make sure you let us know, you let our marketing team know. We'll add them for sure to our website, and they'll be part of the Doorloop family.